I know that's funny, but oh, hi. Hey, how often do you go over your mobile phone bill at the end of the month? Have you ever noticed anything strange like a large number of text messages? If you have, you may have fallen victim to a dangerous new scam. Cyber criminals are now going for a 1-2 punch by infecting your phone with malware and stealing your credit card details in the process. Research done by security firm Pradio unraveled just how brazen cyber criminals are becoming. Scammers are combining old tricks with new methods to spread chaos and get rich in the process. Falling victim to this scam will lead to enormous phone bills and banking fraud. Cyber criminals will first send a malicious text message to get your personal information for the attack to be successful. This is also known as a smishing Trojan. In it, the criminals claim that you need to pay a small fee, just a little small fee, for a package delivery by following this link. Once you click on that link, a message will inform you that you need to update Google Chrome to the latest version to proceed. Unsuspecting users will continue with this adjusted update, but it's nothing but cleverly disguised malware. Once you've completed the transaction for the package delivery, which is usually no more than $2, the criminals have your credit card details. Voila! Not only did you just hand over the $2, but also the ability for them to drain your account. But how did they get your phone number? Well, that's where the fake Google Chrome app comes in. The malware isn't disguised to steal your info, but uses your phone as a proxy for sending out thousands of texts like the one you received. By combining an efficient phishing technique, a malware to propagate actively, and methods to bypass security solutions, this campaign is particularly dangerous, Pradio's researchers explained in a blog post recently. The fake Chrome app will also wreak havoc on your mobile phone bill. By using your number, the fake app sends more than 2,000 text messages per week. It's active every day for 2 or 3 hours. The numbers targeted are seemingly random, but follow a sequential pattern. The golden rule of online safety is never to trust anything from a person you don't know. If the message or email seems strange, it's always best to delete it. If you're not expecting a package delivery, there shouldn't be any reason for you to follow the link and pay a fee. Never give your credit card details to anyone that you can't independently verify. In this case, it would be best to check with the package delivery company to authenticate the message. Hello, Amazon. If a tracking number hasn't been provided, it's probably fake. For Android users specifically, always download apps from the official Google Play Store and never blindly follow a link in an unsolicited text or email. It could be malicious and infect your device with malware. Now, we hope that these tips can help you. Thank you, Kim Commando, for these. We've got your back here at Normal Gadgets. If we can assist, all you got to do is just stop by our store at 802 South El Dorado Avenue in Bloomington, or you can give us a call today at 309-807-3333.